Meaning of fusilier.
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 Fusilier. The term fusilier refers to a soldier who was armed with a light flintlock musket known as a fusil. Fusiliers were first introduced in the 17th century and were known for their speed, agility, and marksmanship. They were often used as skirmishers or shock troops, tasked with harassing enemy lines and disrupting their formations. In modern times, fusiliers remain an important part of military culture, with regiments bearing the name still existing in countries like the UK, Canada, and India. Overall, they represent a unique and important aspect of military history and strategy.